If you use filtered wax that still has the pollen in it, you get a kind of a sepia tone to things, which is also really beautiful. This wax has been poured on a board, and you can see the texture or the wood grain under here, and that's really beautiful as well. If you're working with something like alcohol inks, I find that because they're so translucent, they work really well if they have a lighter background. So I will be teaching you how to create a white background of paint.